So question frame from here: how did Taro's father show his happiness after drinking sake? Taro's father delighted and dancing after drinking sake. Next one. One only swallow of the liquid, he stopped shivering and did a little dance in the middle of the floor. Okay, so this was the expression of Taro's father. He was stopped shivering. Shivering means vibration. Okay, so he stopped shivering and danced in the middle of the floor. That afternoon, the neighbor stopped by for visit. That afternoon, one neighbor stopped Taro's home for a visit. Taro's father politely offered her a cup of sake. Taro's father offered the neighbor a cup of sake. The lady drank it greedily and thanked the old man. The lady, who was the neighbor of Taro, shivered greedily and thanked the old man for given sake to drink. Then Taro told her the story of the magic waterfall. Taro was very kind person, so he told all the story about the magic waterfall. That waterfall gave sake to Taro instead of cold water, thanking them for the delicious drink. She thanked the Taro's family for delicious drink. She left in the hurry. She was very hurry because she wanted to tell the story about the magic waterfall. So she was in hurry to go home. By nightfall, she had spread the story throughout the whole village. At night, what she was done, she told the whole story about the waterfall to the villagers, to all village. Okay. That evening, there was a long procession of visitors to the woodcutter's house. That evening, what happened there? There was a long procession of the visitors, of the villagers, to the woodcutter's house, to the Taro's house. There were so many neighbors, villagers were there to visit the Taro's house because they want to see that a waterfall story was true or false. So they came to visit of woodcutter's house. Each man heard the story of the waterfall. Each man means the villagers heard the story of the waterfall and took a sip of the sake. They took the sip of the sake. They drank little sake. In less than an hour, the pitcher was empty. The pot was empty in an hour. The villagers drank the sake. So, in an hour, the pitcher was empty. Next morning, Taro started for work even earlier than the morning before. As usual, Taro started his work as usual in the morning. He carried with him the largest pitcher he owned. He carried with him a largest pot with him to take sake in it. For he intend first of all, intend means planned. Plan karna. Okay. So here he carried with him a largest pitcher he owned, for he intended first of all to go to the waterfall. He want to go to the waterfall. When he reached at the waterfall, he found with the great surprise, all his neighbors there. What was the surprise? The surprise was all the neighbors were there at waterfall. They all came to take shake from the waterfall. They were carrying pitchers, jars, buckets. You can see in the picture all the villagers having big jars, buckets, okay, and pots, big pots, to bring with them shake from the waterfall. So Taro were in surprise because all the neighbors were there with the big buckets, jars and pitchers with them. Anything they could find to hold the magic shake. Then one villager knelt means jukna, knee down. Then one villager knelt and held his mouth under the waterfall. One villagers want to try the water of waterfall, so he knelt and held his mouth under the waterfall to drink water. He drank again and again, and then shouted angrily. Because he tasted the water of waterfall, he was very angry and shouted at the villagers, "Water, nothing but water." He tasted the water of waterfall. He felt that it was only water, nothing else. There was no any sake. Other also tried. The other villagers also tried the taste of water, but there was no sake, only cold water. So another question also framed from here, and the question is, why did waterfall give Taro shake and others water? So the answer will be, the waterfall gave shake to only Taro because he was a thoughtful and kind son and hardworking also. And other people were greedy, so waterfall gave sake to Taro and others to only cold water.